Hello everyone, welcome to AI Biologic classes. In today's video, we are going to solve 42 VBI objective questions of 12th Physics Model Set 1. If you want the PDF of this model set, you can download it from vbipdf.com by searching on Google. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe by clicking on the below links. So please, let's get started. So first question, the force acting between two electrons separated by distance r is proportional to r inverse 2. The answer is C. The dimensional formula for electric flux is mlq t inverse 3 I inverse 1. The answer is B. Next question, the torque experienced by an electric dipole moment P vector in a uniform electric field E vector is, the answer is P vector into E vector. The work done in moving a unit positive charge through a distance x on a equatorial surface is xj. The answer is A. The electric field intensity inside a charged hollow spherical. The answer is 0. Next question, the conductor of capacity 20F is charged to 100 V. The potential energy of the conductor will be 10 to the power 3 joule. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द EMF ऑफ अ सेल इज मेजर्ड बाय, इसका आंसर आप नीचे कमेंट में बताएं. किरचॉफ्स करंट रूल इज रिलेटेड टू प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट EV इज अ मेजर ऑफ चार्ज. Next question, the torque experienced by current carrying a loop of magnetic moment m vector placed in a magnetic field B vector is, T vector is equal to m vector into B vector. Answer is A. Resistance of a galvanometer is G, a shunt used to allow 1% of main current through the galvanometer. The answer is G by 99. Answer A. Current is flowing in a circular coil. If the radius of the coil is doubled, then the value of magnetic field intensity at its center will be half. Answer is B. The working of a dynamo is based on, इसका भी आंसर आप कमेंट में बताएं. यूनिट ऑफ अ सेल्फ इंडक्टेंस इज ओम. आंसर इज बी. इफ N1 and N2 आर नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स इन प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी कॉइल ऑफ अ ट्रांसफार्मर, देन द आंसर इज N1 इज इक्वल टू N2. आंसर इज सी. पावर फैक्टर ऑफ L minus R सर्किट इज WL by R. The answer is D. Next question is, the ratio of value of magnetic field B vector at same distance from midpoint of a small magnet at its axial and equatorial position is 1:2. The answer is D. The angle of dip at magnetic pole of Earth is 90 degree. The direction of dimension of electromagnetic wave is parallel to B vector. Answer is B. An air bubble inside water shines due to diffraction. The answer is D. The equivalent focal length of coaxial contact combination of two lenses of power minus 15 dip and plus 5D will be, the answer is plus 20 centimeter. The final image is astronomical telescope is, answer is real and inverted. Answer is A. Cylindrical lens are used to correct defect of eye called hypermetropia. Answer is B. In ray length scattering of light, the intensity of a scattered light is proportional to the wavelength. Lambda is the form of 1 by lambda to the power 4. Answer is D. The color of a thin film is due to a scattering. The answer is C. Brewster law is mu is equal to cot IP. Answer is D. The energy of a photon of wavelength lambda is, the answer is hc by lambda. Which of the spectral line of hydrogen spectrum lies in visual region? The answer is Lyman series. Next question, which one of the following is chargeless particle? So please answer this question in comment section, because you have definitely studied this question in every time. The time during which the quantity of any radioactive material become half of its original value is called half age. The answer is B. The majority charge carrier in a p-type semiconductor is, answer is proton. Answer is C. In full wave rectification, if input frequency is 50 Hz, then output frequency will be 200 Hz. The answer is D. The Boolean expression for AND gate is, A into B is equal to by. Result of conservation of decimal number 13 into binary will be, answer is 100 बेस टू, यहाँ पे 15 लिखा हुआ है। विच फ्रिक्वेंसी रेंज इज यूज्ड इन टीवी ट्रांसमिशन 30 megahertz to 300 megahertz? The answer is C. The minimum value of charge on any object cannot be less than 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. The electric field intensity of distances r and 2r from a long uniformly charged straight wire are E1 or E2 respectively. The ratio of E1 and E2 will be, the answer is 2 by 1. If uniform electric field axis along z axis equatorial is among, the answer is x by plane. 8 drops each of radius r and charge q are merged to form a big drop. The potential energy of the big drop as compared to a small drop is, the answer is 32 times. Which one of the following is the best material for making connecting wires? Answer is copper. Answer is C. Fuse wire is made up of which material? The answer is copper. The transistors of resistance reach are combined in various ways. Which of the following cannot be obtained? 2R by 4. If you find any question answer wrong, you can just मैच इट फ्रॉम देयर। और अगर आपने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो मुझे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लिया। और अगर आप हिंदी मीडियम से हैं तो आप नीचे में जो है बहुत सारे प्लेलिस्ट है जहाँ पे आप पढ़ सकते हैं। तो थैंक यू, बाय बाय।